Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're trying something new, staking crypto live on Jupiter. I've heard a lot about the high returns they offer with up to 624% annually, so I thought, why not test it out and share the experience with you? I'll show you how to set it up step by step, and then we'll come back in 24 hours to see how much we've earned. Let's get started. Here's the Jupiter website. To connect, I click the Connect Wallet button. I'm using Phantom Wallet, which I have on my phone, so I'll open the app and scan the QR code. And just like that, my wallet is connected, as you can see here at the top. Let's stake some tokens now. I'm staking $10,000 worth of tokens. Now let's click Stake and confirm the transaction in our wallet. Perfect. The transaction is confirmed and my tokens are now staked. You can see the staked amount here. Now that my tokens are staked, rewards will keep accumulating. I'll leave this running for 24 hours and come back tomorrow to check how much I've earned. Remember, you can also unstake and harvest rewards anytime. All right, I'll see you back here in 24 hours. Okay, it's been 24 hours. Let's check the dashboard and see how we did. Here we go. My staked amount has increased by about $170. That's about 1.7% daily returns on my $10,000 stake. What's great is this is completely passive. I didn't have to do anything except stake the tokens. If I keep this up, the rewards could really stack up over time. Now, let me show you how easy it is to manage your stake. To claim my rewards, I just click Unstake. I can do that anytime now. Let's click Unstake and confirm the transaction in our wallet. Now we wait for the transaction to be confirmed. There, we have the unstaked tokens back at our balance. After 24 hours of staking on Jupiter, here's what I've learned so far. Strong earning potential. Making about $170 in a day is a great starting point, and what really makes it powerful is the compounding effect. As rewards accumulate, they get added to your staked amount, so future rewards are earned on a larger balance. Over time, this can significantly boost total returns compared to earning a flat rate. Flexible unstaking. The ability to unstake after just 1 hour adds a lot of convenience and makes it less risky than platforms that lock your funds in for weeks or months. Beginner friendly. From connecting my wallet to watching my rewards build, the whole process has been smooth and easy to follow. If you're looking into passive income options in the crypto space, this is something worth exploring. Just remember to do your own research and make sure the strategy aligns with your risk tolerance. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've tried staking or compounding rewards before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.